mathematicians.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, Barbara.
Hi, Michelle.
Are you ready?
I am.
Okay, so we're going to play a game today called Mastermind.
Sounds like me.
I think it sounds like me, but let's play. So we each have a square of paper. Can you show your square? And on it, on our square of paper, we need to write a 3-digit number.
Okay.
But none of the digits can repeat.
Okay, sounds good.
So you write yours and I'll write mine. Don't show me.
Okay.
Okay, everybody, here's my number. Okay, and Barbara, can you show everybody your number?
Here's my number there.
Okay, so now what we need to do is we're going to make up our game board.
Mm-hmm.
And so on it we want to record what the guess was. We're going to have 3 columns. In here we want to know how many places and how many digits.
Okay, what does that mean?
So you know how we just wrote a 3-digit number?
Yep.
So I might say to you, hey Barbara, was the number 426?
Mm-hmm.
And I would write 426. And then I'd say to you, oh, we should have actually written it the other way around. Digits
Okay.
and places.
Okay.
Because then you would say to me, there's 1 digit or 3 digits or 2 digits that are correct.
Okay.
And then you would say to me, there's one of them is in the right place.
Okay, so places means in the right spot.
Uh-huh.
And digits means the digit is in the number.
That's right. Yeah.
Okay.
So let's play, because that's the easiest way I always find to learn.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. So I was going to say, how can we decide who goes first? But what about the person with the most letters in their first name?
Okay, I think I've got you because Barbara's got some extra letters in there. B-A-R-B-A-R-A, so 7.
Well, but Michelle has 8.
Oh no! Okay.
Thanks to the French. All right. So I'm going to try to guess what your number is. What about 753?
753. Okay, you've got one number correct.
Do you mean 1 digit?
Sorry, 1 digit correct.
1 digit correct. Mm-hmm.
But none are in the right place.
None are in the right place. So I'm writing 1 digit is in the number and none of them are in the right place.
That's right.
Okay. So it's your turn to guess.
Okay, so 624.
Okay, so I'm going to show the guys at home. Mm-hmm. So I'm going to say to you that 3 digits are correct.
Oh, okay.
And none of them are in the right place.
Okay. That's kind of useful because it means I've got to change everything.
Uh-huh.
Oh no, I don't have to do another line. I will though, I've started it. Okay.
Okay, so now what I'm thinking about is I know one of these is correct, so I'm going to have to take a guess. But I'm going to use one of them again, but in a different place. So I might say, for example, keep the 3 and say 300 and something.
Okay.
Right? Because... Or I could say 500, but I wouldn't say 700 and something again because you told me that one of the digits is correct, but it's not in the right place.
That's right, yeah.
So I might say 302.
Oh, Michelle, I made a mistake.
Oh,
You actually had 2 digits in the... You had 2 digits correct.
Okay.
But still none of them are in the right place.
Ah, okay. So then
That changes things a little bit. I'll just remind everyone what the number was.
Well, I'm going to keep 300 because I wrote it.
Okay.
But I wouldn't say 350 something.
No, because it would be the wrong... Yeah.
So I might say 370.
So 370. Okay. So you've got 2 digits correct.
Okay.
And you've got 1 in the right place.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so now I've got to change everything around. So I'm going to say 462.
3 digits correct. 3 digits in the right place.
Oh, brilliant. Oh, fantastic.
How good is that?
Yes. Do you want to keep going with mine?
Yeah, I'll
Because
keep
something
going.
really interesting is happening that I want to see how you go.
Okay. So what I don't know, I'm not sure whether it's the 7 or the zeros, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm not sure if the 3's in the right place or the 7's in the right place. So I have to like keep reasoning through, right? So I'm going to hold I'm going to hold the 3 here. And then to test it, I might say 307.
Okay, so in 307...
Do you want to show the guys?
Yep. Here you go. You've got 2 digits correct.
Uh-huh.
And 2 digits are in the right place.
Oh, okay. So now what I am thinking is that I'm pretty confident the 3 is okay.
Mm-hmm.
I think the 0 is okay, but it's not 7.
Okay, so if it's not... Okay, I didn't give you any clues. But if it's not 7, what could it be?
Well, I'm actually wondering if it... I am wondering still about this 5 as well, because I guessed it was 7, but it could still also be the 5 up here, because I haven't tested that.
Yeah.
So what I might do is now just test 305 to see whether it's the 7 or the 5 that I was guessing here to confirm my thinking.
Okay.
So, and that will also then tell me if the 3 and the 0 are in the right place, and I'll have confirmation.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
3 digits correct.
Yeah.
And how many do you think are in the right place, knowing what you've seen?
Well, now 3.
You are correct.
Ah! Yes. Oh,
Well
that's
done.
really cool.
I got really excited because it looked like you were giving up on the 5, but then as you gave up, it looked like you were giving up on the 5. You introduced the 0, which was actually part of my number. So that's why I wanted, even though I beat you and I like beating you, I really wanted to see you work it out.
Well, because you also sort of, not to take away from your win, because it was a win.
It was a bit lucky.
It was lucky.
It was a bit
right?
lucky. The first part was lucky, and then that was the first time I just thought I'll just put the 4 in the hundreds.
Yeah.
I'll make it 462, but that I got quite lucky, whereas you had to reason through
I did reason through a bit more. Anyway, mathematicians, we hope you really like this game, Mastermind. You could play it with 4-digit numbers, with 2-digit numbers.
Can you play where you repeat the digit, or does that make it a bit...
Have a go and see what happens.
Okay.
Have fun!